Hi there, how do you fancy coming to a workshop on Thursday this week? Harmonica Workshop. You know what a harmonica is, one of those. So you need a 10-hole harmonica in the key of C for Charlie, and we will be playing lots of music, and it's going to be lots of fun. I seem to have got some kind of a beam here. Can you see the light? Can you see? Can you see the light? Yes, I can see the light. Sounds like the Blues Brothers, doesn't it? So what we're doing is we're going to take apart a load of tunes, some blues, some rock, some country, some folk music, and some reggae, and we're playing chords. So we're doing just a kind of rhythm harmonica. Something like that, or if we were playing reggae, maybe. So it's going to be really, really easy. That's what I want to do with these sessions. It's very, very easy, nice and simple. Chords, rhythms, grooves, chugging, and that kind of thing. We'll get on to single notes and playing tunes a bit later, but this is the groove. This is the essence of music. Rhythm, breathing is the essence of the harmonica. So my roadmap, I've called it a 5-part roadmap. The first part is exactly that, rhythm and breathing. The second part is single notes, and then it goes on into there's 5 steps in total. So we'll deal with that later. But this workshop is all about the first step, rhythm and playing loads of tunes. So there's loads of tunes with just one chord, lots of John Lee Hooker, lots of things like the Peter Gunn theme. There's just loads of those kind of thing. And there's loads with two chords, like Tennessee Whiskey, Jambalaya, You Never Can Tell, Horse with No Name. I've got a big long list of them. And then with 3 chords, well, that's about 99% of blues is 3 chords. Lots of country music is 3 chords. There's millions of tunes with 3 chords. And with 4 chords, that's about pretty much everything, isn't it? I think I read Ed Sheeran only does 4 chords. I don't know if that's true or not. So we can play loads and loads and loads and loads of music. And you wouldn't think there's so many chords available on a C harmonica, but actually there's a lot available. So let me reveal this. Come to the workshop. It's free of charge. There's nothing to lose. Can you see the light? Can you see the light? Do you want to come and join me? I'll put the link somewhere around this video, and all you have to do is register there. It's just going to ask you for your name and phone number and email, and we might give you a call and check that you're coming. Don't book it and not come, because that's boring. A bit rude also, so don't do that. So just come to it, and if you come to it, if you attend, I'm going to give you a free course, a free harmonica video course. So when you come to it, ask me for it. Just say, can I have the free course, please, Ben? Give me the free course. And then if you want to come further into it, we can do a 1-month trial, which is, again, very low cost, and it just sort of eases you into learning. And if you like what I'm doing, hopefully you want more. If you want more further down the line, then we can sign you up to a longer program and send you a free harmonica if you're in the UK. So there's a lot to be gained from this, but you can just come to this free workshop and then run for the hills if you want to. There's no obligation at all. Nothing to pay. All you have to do is turn up for an hour and a quarter, Thursday night, 7 p.m. UK, which is 2 p.m. Eastern, and that is 11 a.m. Pacific time. So that covers pretty much, and it's 8 p.m. Central European. So I think that pretty much covers everybody who's likely to see this little video. So come and see me on Thursday this week. Don't be late. Have a lovely time. You'll thoroughly enjoy it, and we'll see you then.